In this video, we're continuing to think about looking after ourselves, and we're going to explore the metaphor of 9 pillars. Imagine there's a ceiling being held up by pillars, and there's these 9 pillars holding it up, and they're all equal, cared for, and they're in really good condition. But something happens, and all of a sudden, a pillar falls down. What's going to happen to the ceiling? It's going to be okay, because there's 8 pillars still holding it up. But now imagine there's only 2 pillars. All the other pillars were neglected and have crumbled away over the years. The ceiling's weak and it's only just being held up. Eventually, one of the pillars gives in. Then what happens? In life, our general functioning is a bit like the ceiling. If we've only got 1 or 2 pillars, we're at greater risk of the ceiling collapsing. Instead, we need multiple pillars like activities and interests and responsibilities to keep us up. So here's a suggestion of 9 different areas that you may want to think about. The first is contribution, the idea of giving something of yourself to others, whether that's making a cup of tea or donating some money to a charity. The next is thinking about hobbies and leisure. Having things that you enjoy is really important. Spending some time exercising, whether that's going for a walk or spending an hour at the gym, going for a swim or dancing by yourself to the radio. Spending time with your family and loved ones, but also having some time by yourself. Having something that helps you grow or learn something, whether that's reading a book or learning how to wrap something new or learning a new language. Having work, whether that's paid or unpaid. Having a primary relationship, a really close relationship, whether that's a spouse or a relative or a close friend who just knows you really well. And also having friends and spending time with them, having a little bit of a social life. These pillars will look different for everyone. And for some of us, it might not be possible to have all 9 of them for reasons beyond our control. But what's really important is that we strengthen the pillars we have and that we look to build new ones when we need to. Maybe spend some time looking in the booklet and thinking about what your pillars look like at the minute. What are you prioritising? And which ones might need some attention?